Let's see the upgrade to superior room in KUTABEX Beach Front Hotel. Cold?
Nej.
Cold! Here maybe now is we are back at home. We are back at home. Okay. That is a big beautiful bed. Right here is the wardrobe. Well, from what I see, because I'm honest person, what I see is worn out. But the bed sheets are clean. They're not like clean, they're like stains here. Do you see the stain here? Do you see the stain or I'm dreaming?
I cannot see it in the video, but here
Like
actually you can.
And here there are price. And without glasses I cannot read. Linen and towels, glass and silverware. Without glasses I cannot read that. That is the reception we learn is number 0 to press. They have to focus on the hygiene. And here is shower cup, cotton buds, dental kit, 2 dental kit, hot water cooker, coffee cups. There is no coffee. There is sugar, but there is no coffee. I believe that is tea. That is the coffee. That is coffee. Well, I'm all set up, so we have two packets of Turkish coffee, Nescoffee, creamer, sugar. And here some more sugar, creamer, yes, sugar, okay, that is good. The bed is big. And here there is a TV. A sink and the bath. That is the bath. There are no toiletries, but everything here is in big dispensers.
Okay.
And that is the room. Here are the towels. I don't know, do you think that we have to call them because I see some stains here on the bed sheet?